Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or a professional designer, this video will help you pick the right printer for your needs. We'll go over product features, performance, pros and cons, and even give you a few tips to get the most out of each printer. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is built for speed and versatility. It has a CFS system, a step servo motor system, and a high-temp direct drive extruder capable of 350 degrees Celsius. Its large build volume of 13.78 by 13.78 by 13.78 inches lets you print big, multicolor models with ease. What's impressive about the K2 Plus is how well it handles multicolor printing without losing precision. The step servo motors reduce vibrations, so even fast prints stay accurate. The high-temp extruder means you can experiment with specialty filaments like ABS or PETG. Make sure your filament settings match the high-temp extruder. Use the multicolor print mode for prototyping figurines or complex models. Pros: super fast printing up to 600 mm per second, large build volume, excellent multicolor capabilities. Cons: pricey for beginners. Initial setup can be challenging. If you want something smart, fast, and beginner-friendly, the next printer is perfect. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3B2 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3B2 Combo is designed for smart multicolor printing with active filament drying and enhanced auto-leveling. Build volume is 10 by 10 by 10.2 inches, and it prints up to 600 mm per second. The auto-leveling makes setup simple, and the active filament drying reduces failed prints caused by moisture. Multicolor printing is smoother here, though you may need minor calibration for perfect alignment. Great for those who want reliable prints without tweaking too much. Compact design means it fits on smaller desks or workstations. Pros: beginner-friendly with smart auto-leveling. Reduces print failures with filament drying. Good speed and print quality. Cons: slightly smaller build volume. Multicolor prints may require extra calibration. For DIY enthusiasts and open source lovers, the Ender 3 is a classic. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3. The Ender 3 is fully open source, DIY friendly, and includes a resume printing function. Its build volume is 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. This printer is a workhorse. It's affordable, reliable, and perfect for tinkering. The resume printing feature ensures your print won't fail if the power goes out. Being open source, you can customize or upgrade almost every part. Great for learning and experimenting with mods. Perfect for hobbyists who enjoy building their printer. Pros: open source and customizable. Reliable resume printing. Affordable for beginners. Cons: smaller print volume. Lacks advanced features found in newer models. If you want multi-material printing without the hassle, check out the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi-Material 3D Printer. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi-Material 3D Printer. The AD5X supports 4-color printing, prints at 600 mm per second, offers one-click printing, full auto calibration, and filament backup. It's perfect for multi-material projects. This printer is a time saver. Multi-material and multicolor printing are almost effortless thanks to auto calibration. The filament backup system is a bonus. No more failed prints if a filament runs out mid-print. Ideal for small businesses or creators who need efficiency. Use it for multi-material prototypes or colorful figurines. Take advantage of the one-click print to save setup time. Pros: multi-material and multicolor capable. Easy one-click printing. Automatic calibration saves time. Cons: larger and more expensive. Not the best for small, simple prints. And last but not least, a fast, high-performance printer for advanced users. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D printer. The K1C 2024 edition prints at 600 mm per second, supports carbon fiber filament, and can reach 300 degrees Celsius. Features include auto-leveling and a clog-free direct extruder. This printer is for advanced users. It handles fast printing and high-temp filaments like carbon fiber and nylon, perfect for functional parts or prototypes. Auto-leveling and clog-free extruder ensure consistent results even during demanding prints. Best suited for strong, functional prints. Ideal if you want fast, high-performance printing without downtime. Pros: extremely fast printing, supports carbon fiber and high-temp filaments, auto-leveling and clog-free extruder. Cons: not beginner-friendly. That's it for our top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Links to all these printers are in the description if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching and happy 3D printing!